Notice anything missing? No, never mind. It's a dumb question. Skip that.
You know what it's like to fall in the mud and get kicked in the head by an iron boot? Of course you don't. No one does. That never happens. Sorry, Ted. It's a dumb question. Skip that.
Welcome to Octember 2025, failure number 6. The suction cups that I so wildly praised in a recent video regarding this thing, which had a dead battery in it. It's the shower clock thing. And I have two of them. One here, which is maybe a little loose, and I think that's probably why the other one fell. But it probably did that due to it being cold. The other one goes right here, and that hangs a Blueteeth speaker so I can play music while I'm in the shower. So we're going to try and reattach it. It will go up for this video. How long it'll stay, if something happens, I'll put it in the prescription, but we're going to clean the glass first. This is LA's Totally Awesome Glass Cleaner, and indeed, just like their regular cleaner, it is totally awesome. I'll take a razor blade to the area just to ensure there's no crap there. And now we're going to dry that thoroughly. So I got a paper towel. So clean it squeaks. That was part of a commercial somewhere. I don't remember what it was. We'll get one more. It's about as clean as it's going to get. And now we will get the hook that fell. Here is the hook. It's loose. See how I just tightened it? That's probably why. So we're going to take it apart. That, and then this part with the suction cup comes out, and there's a plastic part. So let me put the parts down like that. And as far as I recall, you stick this up. Right there should be fine. Press it good. And then there's a plastic thing that you put on. And then there's a metal thing that you put on. And now you tighten that down. Get it lined up. And that is supposed to pull suction on the suction cup. And because it also has adhesive, it should stick better. Okay, that's about as tight as I'm going to make it. That is pretty damn rock solid. Okay, so I really don't denounce these in any way. I think it was just the colder weather that did it in. So let's go ahead and hang up our Olafus Bluetooth speaker that's there. The video that I have on this, including an Octember failure, where the little cord, yeah, I know there's soap scum and shit on it. Don't worry about it. Works just the same. The cord, the hanging cord, broke out of that because the rubber broke. And they were blue. This was a Amazon Forever guarantee. And now, of course, they don't make it anymore, so I don't know what to do after that. And there we go. Let's see if they work. And they also change color when there's music or sound that goes through them.
Alexa,
Joke.
Here's a wicked joke for you. Why was Elphaba's broom late? It overswept. For more wicked fun, try saying, Alexa, start the wicked theme.
Yeah, that's great. But it's back. And it's hanging up. And it's doing exactly what it's supposed to once again. This happened October 31st. Definitely counts. Fell with no warning, out of nowhere. It was perfectly fine. And I think the reason why is I got to just tighten them every once and again, because this one was a little loose too. I didn't even know. So hopefully that won't become another failure in the future, but we're back in business for Jay's Shoutcast in the shower. Love that kind. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.